Hello guys, I guess myself back, and today we're gonna play Funky Friday, but not just any type of Funky Friday. Funky Friday, but um so you might know it's basically like a game that's like a copy version. Well, not a copy version, just like I don't know how to say it. Like it's just like a Roblox version of Friday Night Funkin'. Yeah. So yeah. By the way, today I'm doing, if I miss, I end the video, which I don't want to end the video. So, yeah, let's go down. Why did I jump down? There's literally one there. Never mind. Okay, so the song that we're doing today, well, first let me find it. Where is it? Where is it? Did you take? Okay, there it is. Here. So we're doing Thunderstorm, hard. Well, I don't know which one's harder. And basically I cannot miss. So yeah, let's go.
3, 2, 1,
Whew. New combo. My god, this is a little hard. By the looks of it, it looks hard already. Hope y'all like my animation. Anyways. Woo! Oh my god, my accuracies. I'm selling right now, bro. I haven't played this game in a long time. I'm literally selling right now. I think y'all might remember this game from a long time back. You might know what kind of YouTubers play this game before. Or used to play this game. Oh god! No! No! I missed, guys! I missed! No. Well, that might be the end for the video because, I missed. Or should I say, and, yeah. So, that might be the end for the video for now because, I missed. So, yeah. So, Exismeister, out, and peace.